Why your work would never let your motivation down is a very important question. A lot of us, when exploring our lives, try to understand that we are achieving or we are moving towards achieving certain goal in the life. That goal is highly materialistic. We want to qualify an exam, we want to perform good with our career, earn money, have a established stakeholding in the life. But is that sufficient? Definitely not. Despite of that, the people remain unhappy, and that's where we understand moving from materialism to humanism is highly important. And why do we say so is the real reason behind the fact that a lot of time we are motivated to earn more, we are motivated to have more luxuries around us, but those ultimately fail at a point. When they fail, and that is the point where we need to consider the fact that we need to move forward, we need to progress with understanding that beyond having a good career, having a good amount of a decent amount of livelihood, we need to work for a cause. Sometimes when we don't work for a cause, even despite the fact that we have earned, we fall into being prey to depression. Just to make sure that we are bringing good justice to us, the good justice to the people around us, we are there for a noble cause, we can remain happy. So, the core message here is to keep working for a cause, not for materialistic sake. Materialism would automatically take its part, but the sole objective should be your passion and your dedication towards whatsoever you do, and that would give you real joy and would never let your motivations down. And when your motivation is not down, there is no case you can feel low in life. You would always be happy for what you have done and what you would in the future.